Gangrene Dream, thanks for subs. Welfare check to make sure you're okay. Can I get 2 blinks to make sure you're not being kept under your will? Oh, where's the fucking bog roll? The guy, the video of the guy, torture, blinking Morse code. Morse code, torture, blink. Get interviewed. Was that Vietnam? Was that Vietnam? So he got freed. He got freed. Maybe Second World War. Don't know. He's getting interviewed, just asking. So I think he was maybe in Vietnam. I'm not sure. Saying, is everything? So just if you could just tell everybody you're all right and that.
Food and adequate clothing.
I've got adequate clothing. Everything's great. He was blinking in Morse code torture. The Americans saw it, worked out what he was doing for the footage, and got him out. And got him out. I don't know how the fuck they got him out. Basically, you're not allowed to fucking torture. I think that's how it works. You're allowed to take prisoners of war. You're not allowed to torture. I think. I don't know. I don't know the rules. I don't know the rules, but fucking very clever. I wouldn't be able to do it. I don't know Morse code. If I did it, I can imagine blinking and attempting to do that, and I'd end up probably doing a word like, don't know, poo poo. A jobby, aye, jobby. Instead of torture, it would be something like Chochi. And he'll think, what's he mean? Is that chalky he's saying? Chalky? He wants a chalky biscuit. And they'll end up just sending us out a pack of biscuits. I'll be like, oh, what are you? Get fucking tortured here. With my luck. But he was alright. He got out. He got out. Got out.